Okay, good
Good
afternoon,
afternoon,
everyone.
everybody.
We were tasked to research an existing research topic about syntax, and we have to share it with you guys. And I have heard na you two had the same
Yeah, research
topic.
title. Yeah.
Topic, yes.
It was really it was actually a book. It is entitled Understanding Syntax, and it was really unexpected that we have the same research, But then it was published in the year 2019 by Maggie Tellerman. So allow us first to share it with you two, so that after that you will share yours to us. Okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna read the excerpt. Assuming no prior grammatical knowledge, understanding syntax explains and illustrates the major concepts, categories, and terminology involved in the study of cross-linguistic syntax, taking a theory-neutral and descriptive viewpoint throughout this book. Introduces syntactic typology, syntactic description, and the major typological categories found in the languages of the world. Clarifies with examples, grammatical constructions, and relationships between words in a clause, including word classes and their syntactic properties. Grammatical relations such as subject and object. Case and agreement processes, passives, questions, and relative clauses. Features in-text and chapter end exercises to extend the reader's knowledge of syntactic concepts and argumentation, drawing on data from over 100 languages, and highlights the principles involved in writing a brief syntactic sketch. Yeah, that's all.
Yeah, so if I were going to really study its depth, I would really like to study about the difference between British and American English, right? I know there are really differences about those two, because first the pronunciation
The accent.
and the accent, and also I think the syntactic structure also of the sentences. How about you? Okay, what will be your
The possible topics.
yeah.
My possible topic is the the structural syntax connection of English language and Cebuano Visayan language.
Yeah, why is one of the sign? I think it's also essential.
It's essential because it's our first language.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's why you really want to really study about. Yeah, I think
To
it's
have
definitely-
that understanding about it.
I think it's very good to really focus on that one.
Yeah.
But yeah, that is understanding syntax. Basically, the book is just really about the introduction.
Understanding the syntax.
Yeah, what is the syntax, and also the complexities of it, because we also need to know the word classes or the parts of speech,
Yeah,
right? Or
exactly.
a lot of types and kinds of it.
Well, as for me, my research topic, I research topic is it's kind of hard, I guess, because it's in Nigeria.
Ah,
The title of it is The Challenges of Existing Syntactic Models for English Language Teaching and Learning in Nigeria. So I have to read the abstract. A recent survey of existing syntactic models shows that none accurately describe the syntax of the English language that people actually use, and that they inhibit rather than promote knowledge in natural language by creating a gap between what should be taught and learned, and what obtains. To demonstrate this gap, this paper critically examined 4 recommended senior secondary school English course books to determine the extent to which they reflect existing syntactic models, descriptive inadequacies, and highlights of implications for language education in Nigeria, using the Emerging National Language Linguistic or NLL model as analytical tool. Each book was carefully examined to identify topics of the syntactic units. This includes the sentences, clauses, and groups. These were then critically studied, paying great attention to definitions, descriptive statements, models, and examples, and noting common features and differences. The bits of information pieced together constitute of a data. Findings show inconsistency in model application, no uniformity in and conscious the number and the the number and the nomenclature of syntactic units, terminological confusion, descriptive inaccuracies, typological inaccurately, Kuha na.
Pare.
Napa na. I-cancel.
Oh, okay. It's really the matter. Okay.
Incorrect definitions, wrong and inappropriate examples, and confusion between constituents and elements of structure. The absence of the sentence in existing syntactic models, which reflected in the books, explains the shortcoming that potentially limit learners' knowledge and use of ability. Only a syntactic model that accurately mirrors natural language structure can positively promote language education in the Nigerian context, where course books are the most important English teaching learning resource. And that's it.
What is your research
The
topic?
the title.
No,
No,
the
the
possible-
possible topics.
I wrote one topic here, and I think it's kind of related siguro. It's the syntax barriers encountered in learning the second language.
And I really appreciate that it's from Nigeria, although Nigeria and the Philippines are really
Is-
quite far.
Yeah,
Yeah, and I think the English, the way, the pronunciation of the English,
and maybe the structures and the rules
yeah.
they have might be different from ours.
Considering also that they also have their own way of speaking, right? The Nigerian people. Yeah, but I guess it's very important as well to really study to other countries also, so that they'll be able to be aware.
Yeah. Oh yes.
Exactly.
Yeah, to be aware of not everything, right?
Right. Of
Do you have
course.
any question?
Any addition to this? To this?
I think it's very good. It's just very vital. It's essential actually nowadays because we also
And
need.
in this research topic, what it's about the English language teaching and learning in Nigeria, and it's indicated here in the courses book are the most important English resource in teaching and learning. So yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think our choose research topics are really really important. So I do hope that what will be the things that we'll be studying, I hope it will be, of course, for us to improve, for us to learn, especially that syntax is known to be the very
Hard.
difficult, right? Very
Yeah.
They
difficult
said.
part of, the difficult part of the linguistics. So
So that's it.
I think that's it.
Yeah, that's
Yeah. So thank you so much, guys,
Thank
for your
you.
time. I really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.